Alright, today in a T-cell 4x4 shop here, we're going to do some much needed clearance. Since I pushed the rear back, I don't know, 2 or 3 inches, I don't really remember. But now we're hitting up in here. Well, I don't have time to cut and push the fender well back, so we're going to get the old trusty out and make some room for these 37 and see what happens. We might do the same thing on the front fender well too here. I didn't get really time to push the front rear too much more forward, so we're going to get the old trusty out and give that a couple whacks. That way we have no clear tissues here. So let's set you over here. Jack her up. Take this wheel off. Pop this wheel off. Give us some room. Got a couple swings in there. Sledgehammer. Give a couple swings to this guy here. Make some room. You don't want to go to the gym. That's a good workout. Alright, a couple swings of that. Still has enough clearance with the bump stops in there. Have full bump to clear that now. Wasn't hit by much. We'll probably end up cutting that out. Maybe moving the fender well back a little bit. I don't know yet. The other side we don't have to worry about. There's nothing there because of the fuel neck here. So we're gonna call that good. Just in case, we're gonna bring that sledgehammer with this weekend. We hear any noises, we're gonna get after it. Alright, that was a quick little video here. Little last minute things I gotta do before Saturday's trip. We'll see what happens. More video to Kim. Subscribe.